Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we're going to show you how to compress, let me show you timing chain tensioner guys. If you let go of that pin accidentally, and you decompress your timing chain tensioner, stay with us, we'll show you how to compress it now. We guys have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. We'll take them apart completely guys, engines, everything. Why? Because our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can. You can find guys the link in the description of the video below, also where we buy our parts from. So let's go ahead guys, start on it and show you how to do that at home and what you should avoid so that way you don't damage your new tensioner. Let's start on it now. So this is guys the timing chain tensioner. We're going to show you now on the old one. The old one usually is a little bit looser than the new one. This is your old chain tensioner. Never ever put them in a vise, because you're going to damage them. Sometimes, you will need to remove the tensioner to work on the engine, and then if you recently replaced the tensioner, you don't need to replace it guys. Why to waste money? Other times the new ones will get unhooked during the shipping and you will have to compress them again. So this tooth right here guys, on most tensioners will be that way. We'll show you on the new one, will be a little bit easier to see, so make sure you stay until the end. So now right here guys, let me show you. You're going to press that tooth in, like that. Now you can move the shaft a little bit, move the shaft. So this shaft you need to center it on the teeth, and when you center it, you need to press in. Now you won't be able to compress it on the first tooth, so you need to let go one tooth more, then press in, and right here usually on the back side there will be a hole guys, where you can press your safety pin. Let me explain on the new one now, because the new one is a little bit easier to see. This is the new tensioner. This is guys, right here, this is you can see the tooth I'm talking about. So you need to press back, now you need to center that shaft on the teeth. When you center it, push in. The new ones are a little bit harder to push in, and usually it will be past the first tooth. You need to let go, for a little bit and then press in again, and the first tooth always will stay empty guys. You will not be able to compress it on the first tooth most of the times. So this is it guys, you can see that's how we compressed it. So once you're done with it guys, it's super simple. You're going to get used to it, so you'll be able to do it in just a few seconds. This is the second tooth, so you don't need to worry about it. But you can see guys, that's how it works. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Please guys, hit that subscribe button for more videos and see you guys next time.